Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are searching for an Okuma MU-4000V post-processor, or a Mastercam 5-axis post-processor for Okuma machines, or a 5-axis post-processor for OSP200 or OSP300 controller, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the Okuma MU-4000V 5-axis post-processor for Mastercam, including axis configuration, controller support, post-processor features, and how you can get the correct post-processor for your exact machine setup. It uses a true 5-axis configuration, supporting X-axis, linear movement, Y-axis, linear movement, Z-axis, vertical movement, B-axis, rotary tilting axis, C-axis, rotary table axis. This allows 5-axis positioning, 5-axis simultaneous machining, accurate tool orientation, smooth and safe rotary motion. So this is a true 5-axis post-processor. Let's start the process. This post-processor integrates seamlessly with Mastercam multi-axis workflows. You can create 5-axis toolpaths, simulate machining, post accurate OSP programs, validate motion before running on the machine. Everything is handled inside Mastercam using one post-processor. If you are looking to download or get the Okuma MU-4000V post-processor, you can contact us using the details in the description. We provide verified and tested post-processors, correct machine configuration, installation guidance, basic testing support. We do not provide random or untested files. If you need this post-processor, you can contact us. And if you are working with any other CNC machine, feel free to reach out. We have a large collection of Mastercam post-processors, including Okuma machines, Fanuc machines, Siemens machines, Heidenhain machines, Haas and Doosan machines. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam 5-axis post-processor for the Okuma MU-4000V, designed for OSP200 and OSP300 controllers, supporting X, Y, Z, B, and C axes, and suitable for high-precision production machining. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you understand Okuma MU-4000V OSP200, OSP300 5-axis post-processors, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you need this post-processor, or any other Mastercam post-processor, you can comment below or contact us directly. All contact details are available in the video. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.